This bed frame features a convenient, integrated charging station equipped with 2 USB ports and 1 Type-C port to keep your electronics powered throughout the night. You can customize the ambiance of your bedroom using the included infrared remote to cycle through 20 colors and 21 dynamic lighting modes. Constructed with heavy-duty steel slats and reinforced legs, this sturdy platform offers reliable support for up to 700 pounds without requiring a box spring. The manufacturer utilizes a unique lock design to secure the slats firmly, which effectively minimizes friction and prevents squeaking for a noise-free sleep environment. With over 12 inches of vertical clearance underneath, the frame provides ample storage space to keep bins, luggage, or extra linens neatly organized and out of sight. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the included tools and numbered parts, while plastic foot pads are provided to ensure your floors remain free from scratches.